Hello children, hope all of you are doing great, staying safe and eating healthy. पैसों का पेट. This is the lesson that I'm going to explain today. In my previous video, I had just uploaded the reading part of it. In this, I'm going to explain you the whole chapter in English. I'll also be telling you the meanings of the difficult words. Children, do listen to the story very carefully. It's a lovely story. You'll all enjoy it. पैसों का पेट. The tree of money. आप जानते ही हैं सदा सत्य ही बोलना चाहिए. You know that we should always speak the truth. सदा means always. सत्य means truth. झूठ बोलना बुरी आदत है. It is a bad habit to lie. आदत means habit. झूठ means lie. फिर भी यदि किसी नेक काम के लिए ऐसे झूठ का सहारा लिया जाए जिससे किसी को कोई अहित न होता हो, तो उस झूठ को झूठ नहीं बल्कि कुशलता कहा जाएगा. Still, in order to do a good deed, if we take the support of lie, in which process nobody is harmed, then that lie would not be known as a lie, rather we would call it a skill. Here नेक काम means noble deed, good deed. झूठ means lie, सहारा means support. Ahit means no harm to anyone. कुशलता skill. दूसरों को सत्कर्म करने के लिए प्रेरित करना कहा जाएगा. Then what would it be known as? What kind of skill? That skill would be known as a skill to inspire others to do good deeds. सत्कर्म means good deeds, noble deeds. प्रेरित करना means to inspire. झूठ और सच का निर्णय बोलने वाली की नियत और उद्देश्य पर भी निर्भर करता है. Whether something is a lie or something is true, that decision, it also depends upon the intention and purpose of the speaker. That is, if a speaker, he is lying so that a noble deed or a good deed gets done, then that lie, we would never like to call it as a lie. Nirnay, here it means decision or conclusion. Niyat means intention. Uddesha means purpose. And nirbhar means depends. पाठ प्रवेश, we are entering the lesson. किसी बच्चे के मन में नेक विचार आया कि उसकी तरह उसके हम उम्र साथियों को भी दूसरों की मदद के लिए आगे आना चाहिए. A नेक means a noble thought entered a child's mind that just like him, his peer group friends should also come forward to help others. Here हम उम्र means peer group. साथ ही उसकी इस नेक सलाह को मानने को तैयार न हुए हों. ऐसे में वह किसी झूठ का सहारा लेकर उनसे वह नेक काम करवा ले तो इसे क्या कहेंगे? Now in case his friends, peer group friends, they refuse to listen to his noble suggestion, then in such a case, if he takes the support of lie to make them do the good deed, what do we call it then? What do we call that lie? Here salah means suggestion. Tayyar na hue ho means they did not become ready. हमारा अनुमान है कि इस पाठ को पढ़ने के बाद आप भी उसे शाबाशी ही देंगे. उस पर झूठ बोलने का आरोप तो नहीं ही मढ़ना चाहेंगे. What we guess is that after reading this lesson, you will only congratulate that particular boy who lied in order to make others do a good deed. You will never enforce the blame that he had told a lie after listening to the story. Arop means blame or accusation. Accusing someone that he has done a wrong thing or he has lied. Hope children you understood this paragraph. Patra, Rita, Vimal, Mohan, Viru, Mithun. Here Patra means characters. It's a drama being played on the stage and these are the characters. मंच पर 10-12 गमले रखे हैं और 4-5 बच्चे मेज के इर्द गिर्द बैठे हुए लूडो खेल रहे हैं. Now the author is explaining how the stage is set up. On the stage, there are around 10 to 12 pots and 4 to 5 children. They are sitting around a table and playing Ludo. Children, I suppose all of you know what is Ludo, right? Manch means stage, gamle means pots, maze means table, ird-gird means around. मोहन बाढ़ पीड़ितों के लिए चंदा जमा करता हुआ छोटी सी संदूकची और कागज के छोटे छोटे राष्ट्रीय झंडे लिए हुए प्रवेश करता है. Another character, Mohan. He enters the stage carrying with him a small box and small national flags made up of paper. And he has come there to collect donation for flood victims. Here, Baad Pidit means flood victims, Chanda means donation, Jama Karta Hua means collection, and Sandukchi, a small box with a hole in it, in which we can put money. Kagaz ke chote chote rashtriya jhande means small national flags made up of paper. Kagaz means paper. Looking at him, Rita says, खेलते हुए, लो मोहन आ गया, आओ मोहन. See, Mohan has come. Come, Mohan. Vimal, आओ आओ मोहन, मेरी जगह खेलो. Vimal tells him to play in his place. मेरी जगह means in my place. Mohan, मैं खेलने नहीं आया हूँ, बहुत जरूरी काम से आया हूँ. I have not come to play. I have come here for an important work. जरूरी काम means important work. Rita, कभी खेला भी करो मोहन, हर वक्त पढ़ना और काम करना. At times you should play, Mohan. All the time you keep studying or doing some other work. At that time Mohan says, Sandukchi bajata hua. He just, shakes his money box. That small box in which he is collecting money for the flood victims. Chanda jama karne aaya hu is waqt. This time I have come to collect donation. Chanda means donation. Is waqt means this time. खेलने के वक्त खेलता भी हूँ. I do play when it's time to play also. मेरी बात सुनो. मैं बिहार के बाढ़ पीड़ितों के लिए चंदा लेने आया हूँ. I have come to collect donation for the flood victims of Bihar. Bihar is the name of a state. All of you should be knowing that. बाढ़ पीड़ित means flood victims. बहुत भारी बाढ़ आई है. Heavy flood has come. भारी बाढ़ means heavy flood. बिहार में लोग भूखों मर रहे हैं. उनके घर गिर गए हैं. सब सामान बह गया. In Bihar, people are dying of hunger. Their houses have collapsed or they have fallen and all their things have been washed away by the flood. भूखों मर रहे हैं means they are dying of hunger. सामान बह गया means their things have been washed away by the flood waters. वीरू, इतनी भयानक बाढ़ आई है. Oh, such a heavy flood has come. मोहन, हाँ भाई, हजारों लोग बेघर बार हो गए हैं. Thousands of people have become homeless. बेघर बार means homeless. हजारों लोग means thousands of people. उनके पास खाने के लिए दाना तक नहीं है. They don't even have any grain to have food. पहनने के लिए चीथड़े भी नहीं है वीरू भाई. They don't even have rags to wear. मिथुन, तो इनका इंतजाम सरकार करेगी, हमसे क्या? And that Mithun says, then why should we bother? Government will take care of them. Intizam means taking care of them, arrangements. सरकार means government. हमें भी कुछ करना चाहिए मिथुन, इसलिए हमने अपना एक सहायता कोष बनाया है. जो भी जमा कर पाएंगे उन्हें भेज देंगे. We should also do something, Mithun. That is why we have created a relief fund. Whatever we collect in that, we'll send it to them. सहायता कोष means relief fund. जमा, collect, भेज देंगे, we'll send. विमल, तुम भी मोहन, ये बेकार के पचड़े ले बैठते हो. You also, Mohan, you just simply take up such useless issues. बेकार के पचड़े means worthless issues. मौज से लूडो खेल रहे थे, तुम पैसे मांगने आ गए. We were enjoying playing this Ludo and you just came to collect money. हमारे पास पैसे कहाँ? Where do we have money? मोहन, अरे तुम्हें घर से पैसे नहीं मिलते विमल? विमल, don't you get money from home? कितने पैसे तुम रोज स्कूल में खाने पीने में खर्च करते हो? थोड़ा सा इसमें भी दे दो. How much money you spent in eating and drinking at school every day? Give little to this fund also. खाने पीने में means in order to eat and drink. खर्च करते हो, you spend. संदूकची बजाकर, लाओ रीता मिथुन कुछ निकालो. He again shakes his money box and tells Rita and Mithun to take out some money. वीरू, भैया हमारी जेब तो खाली है. भैया और brother, our pockets are empty. जेब means pocket, खाली है means they are empty. निक्कर की जेबें उलट देता है. And what Viru does is he just shows his pocket inside out. निक्कर means shorts, जेबें means pockets, उलट देता है means shows inside out. मोहन, तो घर से मांग लाओ. Then you go and get it from home. मिथुन, इस वक्त घर कौन जाएगा? Who will go home at this time? रखो संदूकची, एक बाजी लूडो हो जाए. You keep your money box aside. Let's play a game of Ludo. रीता, और लोगों से चंदा ले लेना मोहन. अपनी साथियों से तो मत वसूल करो. And Rita tells Mohan that you should collect the donation from people, not to collect it from his friends. वसूल करो means do not collect. मोहन, तुम 4 आने भी नहीं दे सकते. You cannot even give 4 annas. Here, long back during British times, Indian system had this anna. One Indian anna. I have just shown a picture of this anna on the slide. I think children, you might not have seen this. In case you ask your parents, maybe they'll have, a sample, a specimen of this anna with them. 4 anna means it's almost equal to today's 25 paise. वैसे 8 आने की टॉफियां खा जाओगे. Otherwise, you keep eating toffees worth 50 paise. At that time, 50 paise was a big amount. मिथुन, खाया हुआ अपने पेट में जाता है. Then at that time, Mithun tells Mohan, whatever we eat, it goes to our stomach. That time Mohan, he answers, लेकिन तुम्हारा दिया हुआ चंदा दूसरों के पेट में जाएगा. गरीबों का पेट भरेगा. But the donation that you give, it will go into others' stomachs. It will fill their hunger. It will fill the stomach of the poor people. Chanda means donation. Garib means poor people. Pet bharega means it will fill their stomach. It will remove their hunger. विमल, खेलो भाई. ये मोहन तो नेता हो गया है. खेलने लगता है. Vimal tells the others, come, let's all play. This Mohan has become a leader. And they all start playing. Neta means leader. सब बच्चे मोहन की ओर से उदासीन होकर अपने खेल में मशगूल हो जाते हैं. All the children, they become indifferent to Mohan and they become busy playing Ludo. उदासीन means indifferent. मशगूल means busy. मोहन के दिमाग में कोई मजेदार बात आती है. उसके चेहरे पर खुशी छा जाती है और वह संदूकची पटक कर खेलने के लिए तैयार हो जाता है. At that time, suddenly some idea comes into Mohan's mind, and that too a funny one. On his face, happiness spreads. He tosses his money box on one side and becomes ready to play Ludo. Dimag means mind, mazedar means funny, sandookchi money box, patakkar means he tosses it aside. Mohan, मैं भी खेलूंगा. He says, I will also play. बीच में घुस जाता है. He, forcibly enters in between, or he thrusts himself between them. मिथुन, आ गए रास्ते पर. Oh, now you've come on the way. ए वीरू, तुम जरा हटो, मोहन को खेलने दो. And Mithun tells Viru to move and let Mohan play. जरा हटो means move. वीरू हटकर खेल देखने लगता है और मोहन 3-4 बार गोटी फेंककर एकाएक जैसे कुछ याद करने लगता है. वीरू moves aside and starts observing the game, and Mohan, he throws the dice 3 to 4 times, and suddenly he starts thinking of something. Here goti means dice, phenkar means throwing, ekaek means suddenly. Children, I hope you're enjoying the story. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, because that is what helps me go ahead or gives me the inspiration to go ahead. रीता, क्या हुआ मोहन? मोहन, what happened? At that time Mohan says, एक बहुत जरूरी बात याद आ गई. I just got reminded of a very important thing. चुटकी बजाकर means snapping the fingers. मैं जरा जादू का काम कर लूं. Let me just do a job of magic or a work of magic. This Mohan tells Rita. वीरू, जादू सीखा है क्या? वीरू asks Mohan, have you learnt magic? Mohan, ऐसा वैसा जादू नहीं. Not this and that kind of जादू or magic. बहुत फायदे का जादू सीखा है. I have learnt a magic which has great benefits. फायदा means benefits. और जादू भी क्या? एक मंत्र है. And it is not magic also. It is just a mantra. Mantra means, chanting of few words which has a magical effect. मिथुन, मंत्र, कैसा मंत्र है भाई? मिथुन asks Mohan what kind of mantra it is. Mohan, जैसे मंत्र याद करते हुए. He acts as if he's, trying to recollect the mantra. इस मंत्र से पैसों का पेड़ लगाया जाता है. And he tells his friend, with this mantra, they can grow a tree of money. A tree which will fetch you money. सब आंखें फाड़ कर मोहन को ताकते हैं और लूडो एक और सरका देते हैं. They all look at Mohan with unbelievable eyes, and they stare at him and they move the ludo aside. आंखें फाड़ कर means unbelievably. ताकते हैं means they stare. सरका देते हैं means they move aside. रीता, पैसों का पेड़, बात समझ में नहीं आई. Tree of money, we did not understand it. मिथुन, बकता है झूठ मूठ. He is simply bluffing. बकता है means bluffing. They don't believe what he's that a tree of money can be grown like that just with a mantra. मोहन, यही सही. Let it be like that. तुम लोग खेलो. मैं तो पैसों का पेड़ लगाने जा रहा हूं. You all play. I am going to grow the tree of money. वीरू, अरे हमें भी बताओ मोहन, हम तुम्हारे दोस्त नहीं हैं? At that time Viru tells Mohan, please tell us also about the mantra Mohan. Are we not your friends? Dost means friends. Mohan, भाई, विश्वास करने की बात है. Oh brother, it is a matter of, believing. विश्वास means believing. Trust. विश्वास करो तो सब कुछ है, नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं है. If you believe in it or if you trust it, everything is there. If you don't, nothing is there. रीता, हम विश्वास करते हैं. तुम बताओ भी. We trust or we believe. You just tell, no? विमल, उत्सुकता से, with excitement, विमल says, कैसा होगा पैसों का पेड़? How will it be a tree of money? मोहन, गमले के पौधे की ओर इशारा करता हुआ, ऐसा ही होगा पैसों का पेड़. Mohan points at a pot with a plant in it and he tells his friends, tree of money will be just like this. इस पौधे में फूल खिलते हैं, उसमें पैसे लगेंगे. In this plant, flowers bloom, whereas in that tree, money will come. मिथुन, आश्चर्य और प्रसन्नता से, पैसे लगेंगे. Mithun becomes very surprised and with happiness he asks Mohan, oh, money will grow. Mohan, और क्या? एक आना बोओगे तो चवन्नियां लगेंगी. Yes, if you sow one आना, that is around 6.25 paise, you will get 25 paise. चवन्नियां बोओगे तो अठन्नियां लगेंगी और अठन्नियां बोओगे तो रुपए लगेंगे. If you sow 25 paise, you will get अठन्नी. अठन्नी means 50 paise. And if you sow 50 paise, you will get a rupee. सभी, all, उत्सुकता और आश्चर्य से, सच. उत्सुकता means Excitement, आश्चर्य means surprise. मोहन, जादूगर की तरह, like a magician. जादूगर means magician. पर एक मंत्र पढ़ना पड़ता है. But you will have to read a mantra. वीरू, हमें बताओगे मंत्र मोहन? Will you tell us the मंत्र मोहन? मिथुन, बताएगा क्यों नहीं? मोहन तो हमारा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है. क्यों मोहन? At that time, Mithun supports Viru and tells him, why should he not tell us? He is such a good friend of ours. Isn't it, Mohan? विमल, फिर तो हमें घर से पैसे मांगने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. Then we will not have to borrow money from home. रीता, ये तो बहुत बढ़िया बात होगी. ताली बजाती है. She becomes very happy, claps her hands, and she says, it will be a great thing. बढ़िया means great. ताली means clap. मिथुन, कहाँ बोएंगे हम पैसे? But where will we sow the money? बोएंगे means sow. मोहन, गमलों में बो सकते हो. You can sow them in pots. और इनका पौधा इतनी जल्दी निकलता है कि ताजुब में पड़ जाओगे. And this plant or this tree of money, it grows so fast that you'll really be surprised. ताजुब में पड़ जाना means to become surprised or keep wondering. रीता, मंत्र तो बताओ. You tell us a मंत्र. वीरू, लिख लो मंत्र, नहीं तो भूल जाओगे. Write down the mantra, otherwise you will forget it. भूल जाएंगे means forget it. मोहन, दिमाग पर जोर देते हुए, कौन सा दिन है आज? मोहन, he acts as if he is putting a lot of pressure on his mind. दिमाग पर जोर देते हुए means putting pressure on the mind. And he asks, what is the day today? मिथुन tells him, मंगलवार. मंगलवार means Tuesday. मोहन, जादूगर की तरह, बहुत ठीक. Now just like a magician, Mohan says, oh very good, बन गया काम. The work is done. यह पेड़ मंगल के दिन ही लगता है. We both sow this tree on Tuesday itself, and today is Tuesday. It's great. 4-5 दिनों में पैसे देने लगता है. And in 4-5 days, we can start reaping money from the tree. वीरू, मंत्र तो बताओ. Please tell us the mantra. मोहन, अभिनय करते हुए means he acts. हाँ हाँ, अभी लो. Okay, write down. कुछ याद करके, as if he's remembering or recollecting something. लिखो, write down. सब बच्चे कागज पेंसिल निकाल लेते हैं. All the children, they take out their paper and pencil. कागज means paper. मोहन, जय पैसा महाराज. श्री श्री पैसा महाराज की जय. Now this paragraph entirely is a mantra that Mohan is saying. It is actually does not mean anything. So children, you can just read it. There's nothing that you have to understand from this. And then when he finishes that, he says, okay, let me go plant my tree and come. अच्छा, मैं अपना पेड़ लगा जाऊं. That is what he tells the friends, and he goes for that. अच्छा, मैं अपना पेड़ लगा आऊं. So let me go and plant my tree and come. मोहन संदूकची लेकर जाता है. He takes the money box and goes away. सब बच्चे एक दूसरे को का मुंह देखने लगते हैं. All the children, they start staring or looking at each other. मिथुन, मेरे पास चवन्नी है. And slowly Mithun tells, before he had told Mohan that he does not have any money with him. But now he takes out 25 paise from his pocket and he shows it to his friends. Viru, मेरे पास तो कुछ भी नहीं है. Viru says, I don't have anything with me. Rita, मैं मम्मी से मांगकर अभी लाती हूँ. I will ask my mother and bring it just now. विमल, चीख कर, अठन्नी लाना रीता, मैं भी अठन्नी ले आऊं. विमल tells Rita to bring अठन्नी. अठन्नी means 50 paise. चीख कर means screaming. He says, I will also bring अठन्नी. मिथुन, और क्या? बोना है तो अठन्नी बोए. Oh, if we are sowing, we should sow 50 paise. वीरू, फिर रुपए लगेंगे. मैं भी ले आऊं. Then we will get rupee. I will also bring. विमल, पर बोओगे कहाँ? But where will you sow your money? मिथुन, रीता से गमले मांग लेंगे. We will borrow pots from Rita. इसके यहाँ बहुत से गमले खाली पड़े हैं. There are lots of empty pots in her place. खाली पड़े हैं means empty. वीरू स्वीकृति जताकर, हाँ यह ठीक है. वीरू as if he accepts everything and he says, okay, this is right. सब लोग यही गमलों में पैसे बोए. देखें किसका पेट जल्दी निकलता है. Now children, you have to remember that this is a drama which is taking place in a stage, on a stage. सब लोग यही गमलों में पैसे बोए. Let us all sow the money in the pots here itself. देखें किसका पेट जल्दी निकलता है. Let us see whose tree comes out fast. तीनों भाग जाते हैं. All three of them run away. तब मोहन मंच पर आता है. At that time, मोहन comes back to the stage. गर्व से चारों ओर देखता है. With a feeling of pride, he looks all around. मोहन चुटकी बजाकर अब पेड़ लगकर रहेंगे. As if his ideas have become very fruitful, he becomes very happy, snaps his finger. Chutki bajakar means snapping his finger. He says, okay, now the trees are going to be planted. आहट सुनकर छिप जाता है. Suddenly he hears somebody's footsteps and he hides. आहट means footsteps. सुनकर, having heard, छिप जाता है means he hides. रीता गमला लिए हुए आती है. फिर सब बच्चे एक एक गमला उठाए मंच पर आते हैं और अपने अपने गमले में अठन्नी बोते हैं और मंत्र पढ़ते जाते हैं. Then Rita comes onto the stage with a pot, and then the rest of the children also carry a pot and come onto the stage. And then all of them bow 50 paise in their pots and they keep reading the mantra. Mithun says, Rita, तूने क्या बोया? Rita, what did you sow? Rita says, अठन्नी. अठन्नी means 50 paise. वीरू, मैंने भी अठन्नी बोई है. Even I have sowed 50 paise. विमल, मैंने भी. Even I. मिथुन, जरा पानी ला रीता, पानी तो दे दे. मिथुन tells Rita to bring some water and water the pot. रीता पानी लाती है और बारी बारी सब गमलों में डालती है. Rita brings water and pours water onto all the pots. सब अपने अपने गमलों पर खड़िया से अपना नाम लिखकर कूदने लगते हैं. Children, all of them completely believed Mohan, and after writing down their names on the pots, they all start jumping. Khadiya means chalk. Rita, अच्छा आओ, अब चले. Then she tells others, let's all go. मिथुन, हम लोग शाम को अपने पौधे देखने आएंगे. We will all come in the evening to see our plants. वीरू, नहीं जी, अभी थोड़ी भी देर बाद आकर देखेंगे. No, no, not in the evening. We'll come after some time and see how the plants have come out or not. विमल, और क्या मिथुन? मोहन कहता था कि 4-5 दिन बाद उसमें पैसे रुपए लगने लगेंगे. अभी चले. Okay, Mithun. Mohan was telling that after 4 to 5 days, this tree will start giving money. Now let us go. सब बच्चे अपने अपने गमले दोबारा देखकर चले जाते हैं. All the children, they once again look at their pots and they all go away. मोहन जो अब तक छिपा हुआ था, अपनी संदूकची कुछ पौधे तथा झंडे लिए हुए आता है. Mohan, who was hiding till now, he comes onto the stage with his money box and few plants. चारों ओर देखकर, and he just looks all around. मोहन, यह रही करामात. Oh, this is a miracle. Karamat means miracle. खुद अपनी पीठ ठोकता है. He congratulates himself. पीठ ठोकना means congratulate himself. वाह रे मोहन वाह, वाओ मोहन वाओ. मोहन एक गमले की मिट्टी हटाकर अठन्नी निकालता है, उसे परखता है और चंदे वाली संदूकची में डाल लेता है. Now what he does is, Mohan becomes very happy because he sees that all his friends have, believed him and they have put money so that they could have a tree of money. Mohan, he removes the mud from one pot and removes that 50 paise that they have poured in that pot, and then he just checks it. Parakta hai means checks it. और चंदे वाली संदूकची में डाल देता है. He puts it in the डोनेशन बॉक्स। इसी तरह वह चारों अठन्नियां खोद खोद कर संदूकची के हवाले करता है और उनमें एक एक पौधा लगाकर चलने को होता है। Similarly, he removed all the 450 paise coins from the pots and then he put those coins in that donation money box or donation box, and then he puts or plants one plant each in each of the pots and goes away. मोहन पूरे 2 रुपए आ गए चंदे में, सब बुद्धू बन गए. Oh, I could collect full 2 rupees in donation. I've made a fool of everybody. बुद्धू means fool. प्रसन्नता से हंसता है और संदूकची के पैसे खनखनाकर चला जाता है. He smiles with happiness and just shaking his money box, he goes away. Simply just reciting the mantra, and band fund chu mantar. चारों बच्चे खिलखिलाते हुए प्रवेश करते हैं और गमलों में निकले हुए पौधे देखकर एकदम खुशी से चीख उठते हैं. Now all the 4 children had believed Mohan that if they sow money or coins in the pot, they will get the tree of money. When they come back and they find that there are plants in their pots, they completely believe Mohan. They feel as if, oh wow, now they've got the tree of plant or the plant which is going to reap or give them money. रीता, मेरा पौधा निकल आया, ताली बजाकर नाचने लगती है. Rita becomes very happy. She says, my plant has come out, and she claps her hands and starts dancing. वीरू, मेरा सबसे बड़ा है, mine is the biggest plant. खूब तालियां बजाता है. He also claps his hands. मिथुन, मेरा बड़ा है, नाप लो. Mine is the biggest. Mithun says, you just measure if you want. नाप लो means measure. कूदने लगता है and he starts jumping. कूदना means jumping. चारों खुशी में नाचने लगते हैं. All 4 of them start dancing with happiness. तभी मोहन झंडे लिए प्रवेश करता है. At that moment, Mohan enters the stage with the flags. मोहन, बड़ी खुशियां मना रहे हो. Mohan comes onto the stage and sees them jumping with happiness, dancing with happiness, and he tells them, wow, you are celebrating. Mithun, हमारे पौधे निकल आए. Just see, our plants have come out. Mohan, आओ, तुम लोगों के झंडे लगा दो. Let me put flags in your pots. झंडे लगाता है, and he puts the small flags that he had brought into the pots. वीरू, तुमने ये झंडे लगा दिए. You have put the flag. हमने अभी चंदा कहाँ दिया है? We have not given you the donation. मोहन, हंसकर, he smiles. तुम लोगों का चंदा हमें मिल गया है. We have got your donation. वह हमने जमा भी कर दिया है. We have even deposited that donation. जमा means deposit. आखिर पैसे के पेड़ लगाए थे तुम लोगों ने. He just smiles and answers them. After all, you had planted tree of money, right? Mithun understands that there was something fishy. कुछ समझकर, he understands some few things. Then he answers, क्या मतलब? What do you mean? Mohan, हंसकर, smiling. कहो, कैसी रही? Now tell me, how was it? So he makes it clear to the children that he has duped them. But it was for a good cause, for a noble deed. So it was not, the children and his friends did not get offended by it, because he did not use that money for himself. He used it for the flood victims of Bihar. Mithun, sorry, I have already explained this. We'll start with Rita. Rita, सिर हिलाकर पर प्रसन्नता से, तो तुमने चमका दिया. She nods her head, but with happiness, and looks at Mohan and tells him, okay, so you duped us. चकमा दिया means duping someone. मोहन, हमें एक अच्छे काम के लिए चंदा वसूल करना ही था. इस तरह आसानी से हो गया. So he tells his friends, for a good cause, we had to collect donation, and this plan or this idea made it easy. वीरू, पर तरकीब खूब सोची. Wah by wah. He just becomes very happy. He says, okay, whatever it may be, you thought of a very smart plan. तरकीब खूब सोची means thought of a very smart plan. सब बच्चे दिल खोलकर हंस पड़ते हैं. And all the children, they start laughing open-mindedly. It's because they know that that plan was not to cheat them and get the money for his own use. He was collecting the donation for a good cause in order to help the flood victims who have lost their houses. They did not have clothes to wear or food to eat. So this money he had collected with this idea just to help those people. So his friends, they were not offended. They did not feel bad. Rather, they felt, oh, that was such a great idea. Mithun, अच्छा मोहन आओ, अब तो लूडो खेलने. Okay, Mohan, come. Now you play Ludo. And he starts spreading the Ludo game, and all the children, they just laugh and spend their time. I hope, children, you all understood the story and you all enjoyed it also. The author is Kamleshwar. And please, in case you have any doubts, do let me know. And do like, share, and subscribe so that I get the inspiration to keep moving. Thank you. Stay safe and bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching Rivora Tube. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Stay safe and stay happy. Bye-bye.